In online marketing, lead generation is basically the initiating of inquiry or consumer interest in a company's products or services. Leads may be generated for specific purposes like list building, email list acquisition, or for cold sales leads. It can also be used to simply make contact with customers and potential customers to establish a relationship with them. If used effectively, lead generation can dramatically increase a company's bottom line. Hello, and thanks for checking out my video Top 7 Lead Generation Strategies. In today's video I am going to be talking about Top 7 Lead Generation Strategies. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Social media has played an important role in lead generation. The advent of Facebook, MySpace, Twitter, and LinkedIn has made it easy for people to connect and share their lives. With millions of users logging in daily, this social media site has been widely acknowledged as a powerful platform for businesses to advertise and sell their products. In terms of offline lead generation through social media sites, companies have created a vast network of prospective clients and customers through social media sites like Facebook. The company can use this large database of potential leads to build contacts, promote its products and services, and launch promotional campaigns. Paid advertising has also been an effective tool in online lead generation. Though Google AdWords and other pay-per-click advertisements are available, they have been known to be quite costly. Since the creation of social media, paid ads have been slowly being phased out by many companies. Instead, many companies opt to develop digital marketing campaigns or engage in webinars. Another lead generation strategy that has been widely adopted by many companies is the use of email marketing. Companies use email marketing because it is less expensive and much more efficient. A company does not need to pay for a billboard ad or for TV or radio ads. All it needs to do is create and send email campaigns, which are very cost-effective and can reach the target market instantly. Additionally, the success of email campaigns is oftentimes dependent on the frequency with which the emails are sent and the effectiveness of the distribution list. The biggest challenge in email marketing lies in its ability to build the right trust and relationship with prospects. Email campaigns fail miserably when the emails become annoying or too spammy. This is why many lead generation strategies are now focused on improving the quality of the content in email marketing campaigns. So what do these strategies entail? First, companies need to focus on creating relevant and consistent lead generation strategies. This means that the same message sent across several platforms should be converted into different landing pages or websites. When a web page cannot be easily searched or categorized, then it is of no use. Moreover, these messages need to generate leads in a manner that the audience will be interested in and that will compel them to take a few more actions. Another lead generation strategy that can greatly help companies generate leads is via the so-called funnel or sales funnel. This type of lead generation strategy involves creating a path from lead creation to sales. First, marketers create relevant content, which will be used for generating interest, such as blogs, articles, and videos. Afterward, these contributors make their way to the sales page where prospects will be able to sign up for more information or purchase a product. At this point, the lead generation system will then funnel prospects into the sales funnel specifically designed to generate leads and convert them into paying customers. The above-mentioned techniques are just some of the many lead generation strategies that help businesses generate leads through effective SEO and search engine optimization practices. However, there is still one more lead generation strategy that has been proven to work: opt-in email marketing. This method is currently the most affordable way to generate leads because it does not require the investment of expensive websites or ads. Instead, business owners only pay for people who decide to subscribe to their list and, therefore, can save a lot on marketing expenses. Businesses also do not have to spend time on email advertisement campaigns as they can simply send relevant emails to their subscriber list and allow the subscribers to opt in to the email chain. Thanks for watching my video about top 7 lead generation strategies. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.